As our friend Jawtooth says, but wait, there's more. Just kidding you, there's a train down here. There's tie down. It sounds like it's coming off tie down. We'll see. Yep, there is more. And I don't like stealing other person's monikers. Thank you, Jawtooth. I promise I'll never do it again. You can borrow mine if you like. Mine is take care and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, this train was tied down. Thank you. Main track number 2. It's going westbound. We're at mile 73.5. He gave us like a little bitty bell ring there. It went bing, bing. But some is always better than none. Usually, anyway. Well, we went to the city today and we had a really good time there last week. And today was a strikeout. I struck out like 4 times. This was a major league game today. I went 0 for 4, so I was heading home. I got some premieres starting very shortly. Some really good ones. I hope you checked them out. If you didn't, then they should be out by the time you see this. And I was going by San Bernardino Station. I saw that freight train leaving, so I'm addicted. I know. I had to go get it. Found myself a little bit of shade here next to a big semi-trailer. Get some good exposure. You know, when I drove up, this train was tied down. And I waited about 3 or 4 minutes for that one to catch back up to me. And right before that other one ended, I saw this one was making a move. I might power back to the train and I'll get you like the Arnold. If I shoot from the shade to the sun, it comes out pretty good. If I'm out in the sun shooting to the sun, it makes it much more difficult. Mr. BZ Ori's getting a little bit better. You think so? It's as much as he paints. Good for him. My catch for the day. I'm still going to try to make it home. I think I got about a half hour before the first premiere starts. I got 3 in a row, so third one's really, really good. All of them are great, but the third one's awesome. I see some DPUs. Thinking I see another train. I don't know if it's moving or not, but I might be behind this one. It might be on main track 3. Looks like it might have a double hookup here. Official bratwurst of the Chicago Cubs. Sounds pretty good right about now. There's another train on main track 3 out there too. We're getting triple comboed. Yeah, another engine just went by. So the first train was on main track number 1 east. Then we have main track number 2 on Tyne West. And then we have this super stack behind it, West. Triple combo. Triple bypass. Think of some catchy names for me when I get these triples. Half of this is getting the title right on your video. I like triple bypass, but I got to get some new material. I'm wearing that one out. Got some piggyback cars on the outside one now. And we're going to have some piggyback cars on this one. But if you count all the rail cars for all 3 trains, we got a boatload. JB's going to have as much money as Elon Musk pretty soon. JB Hunt. Guy's making bank. Looks like I have a nice string of Amazons coming here. Two strong trains. 11.5 minutes. All right, this makes up for the morning. I feel better now. I got my fix. They're both going the same speed. Like exactly the same speed. Wow, it's kind of weird. Like they're hooked together. They must both be at the maximum speed. Usually you see one going faster than the other. They're like just glued at the same speed. All right, rail fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Had all kinds of triple combo action going on there, triple bypass. Please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, help us out on Patreon if you can. You'll find the link in any description. We have super thanks now if you want to throw us a quick bone. Buddy and I love those quick bones. And we love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next one. Those premieres will be out today, and this will be out tomorrow. So if you see this, go look those up. One's about a funeral train. All right, take care, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.